Hello friends, welcome to Snigdha's Kingdom. Today I am going to make Suji's Upma. It's very easily prepared, very common, very tasty and very healthy. So I will quickly show you the ingredients which I am going to use. So this is the suji. I am going to use onions, cashew nuts, dried red chili, few cumin seeds, and in vegetables I am going to use red tomatoes, beans, green beans roughly chopped, carrots roughly chopped, few of the coriander leaves, and salt according to taste. And I am going to use jaggery powder, little amount instead of sugar, and water which I will warm it up, and green chilies, and vegetable oil for cooking, and little amount of ghee. So friends, I have on the gas and I have kept it in medium and taken a non-stick kadhai, and I have already poured some amount of vegetable oil and the half amount of ghee. So I will wait for it to get heated up and smoke coming out, then I will put all the ingredients one by one. So friends, as you can see, the oil has got heated up. So I will start with the red chili and the cumin seeds. So now I will give the beans. I will give all the beans. It looks lovely, vibrant green color and very good for health. So after stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes, I will give the carrots. It looks lovely, the color contrast. And I will give it a good stir. Now I will give little amount of salt so that it gets soft easily, and rest amount I will give after putting the suji so that the taste is perfect. And as my vegetables are getting cooked, I have also put the water and it's already boiling. Next I will give the tomatoes. So friends, it has been around 1 minute. I have been stirring it after putting the tomatoes. I'm using a lot of vegetables here. And I have off the gas for the water and let it come into warm position. Then I'll be using it. Okay, then I'll put the onions now. So here we'll keep the vegetables shallow fry, not a deep fry. So I am putting the onion at the last of all vegetables. I'll give it a good stir. So friends, it has been around 3 minutes. The vegetables have become soft. So now I will give the suji. And slowly I will give the mix. And I will stir it until the suji turns color into slight reddish. So it will take around 5 more minutes. I will give it a stir. Nicely I will mix. And I will also give the cashew nuts. So friends, it has been 5 minutes and now I'll give the warm water slowly. A little amount I will give. And I will mix it well. So I have added all the water and now I will give the coriander leaves. Upma is ready. So if you like my videos, my recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.